you like acapella stuff? Another one acapella? I was singing this one the other day. Barbra Streisand. Remember she did a song called Songbird? It goes like this. Songbird sings from the heart. Each word can tell